Crank that shit up, Trey.
Welcome back to another video. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys go down and smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you guys can see more dope content when I drop it. We down here in ATL about to turn up. So today we're about to go over to the new suite. I've got it mostly completed as far as everything I need for just doing business. I got my first client today, man. I opened up my bookings last night and I woke up to my first booking in Atlanta officially on a booking site. So I'm glad for that. About to get these tutorials back pumping out. So once I get to the shop, I'm gonna show you guys the room, everything I've done to it, and we're gonna see my first client. So I'm about to take my dog out real quick and then we're gonna head to the shop. This dude loves going outside, man. He likes to get super happy when we get ready to take him outside. So funny. I got a message for y'all, man, just to put some positivity into some people's life. And I want to really speak on, not being afraid of stepping out of your comfort zone. When you step out of your comfort zone, that's really when you can tap into like your higher self and, reach things that you probably never thought you would be able to do. I don't think people pay attention to the small things that they do in life and how they can do a lot of small things to make that big thing happen. And I feel like you have to be more intentional and try to like overcome your fears and really step out of your comfort zone. Me moving down to Atlanta was like a big jump. I mean, I don't know anybody down here for real. I had a couple family members. My sister lives down here, but I don't really know anybody down here for real. And for me to move out of my city and just chase after that vision, I've already had so many opportunities down here. And with today being my first day back in the shop, officially, because I opened my bookings last night and I already got my first appointment down here. And I look at the small things, because if I can get one, I can get 10, and then I can get 100. So I'm gonna be taking y'all on my journey, man, down here for real. Y'all gonna see me go from the beginning to where I end up. I've already had a lot of major opportunities. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I told you about them. If you tapped in, you know what's up. It's only up. And this is me stepping out of my comfort zone. When I moved down to Atlanta, it was like in me to be like, I'm leaving my city to go to a bigger city for more opportunity, and I have that ultimate confidence. That's a big reason why I'm at where I'm at today, because I chose to believe in myself and I was just super confident and I believed that I could do anything, and all I knew was I had to do the small steps and then it'll equal up to that one big step. And it's like time over everything. I've been cutting hair, just doing everything I'm doing for like 5-6 years. And I just always believed in myself. So I want to give you guys some encouragement to like really believe in yourself and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Because if you want something that you never had, you're going to have to do things that you've never done before. And that's a word for real, because like, how you going to get to where you want to go if you don't change? Nothing changes until you change. And that's when you start looking at yourself in the mirror and you be like, dang, like, it's really on me. You know what I'm saying? It's really up to me to make my life what it is. So that's my encouragement for you guys. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. I'm in a new city. Y'all gonna see the start of the journey. Today we're gonna have my first client, and I really want to say I appreciate all my supporters that's been with me along my journey. It's all love, and I want to see everybody win. And I'm just here to inspire for real and just share my journey with other people to inspire them on their journey. So I'm about to get to the shop. Cool. Alright. So y'all, this is my spot. Got my first client here, man. About to get him right. Y'all already know what it is. right, y'all, I got my dog right. First client in the A, man. Y'all seen the cut, crispy. Tell them what you think about it, man.
When I grow up, I want to be just like him.
Nah, but we got it right, man. I appreciate you coming through, dog.
Sure.
First day in the shop of success, man. Shout out to my dog, J Powell, for pulling up on me and supporting me, man. He's the first client to book with me in the city. Let me know what y'all think about that cut in the comments. He's actually a barber too, so I'm gonna put his link in the comments. Y'all go check him out on Instagram. He just moved down to ATL, and he getting down with the Clippers. You know what I'm saying? Trying to build his name up. And he an actor too. He told me he an actor too. But yeah, man, me and some dope people and networking. I'm about to get ready to clean up, and I'm gonna go back to the crib. He was my only client for the day. I actually got another appointment that just came in. Well, actually, I got 2 appointments that's coming in this week. So we starting off good. And if you live in Atlanta, man, I hope I see you soon. You book an appointment with me. I'm gonna put my link to my app down in the description on the Cut app. It's your boy JoshXBarber. I'm about to clean up, and we're gonna head to the crib, and then we're gonna end the video off there. So I'm about to eat some lunch. I got my romaine lettuce, and I got some seared seasoned chicken breast. I'm about to chop it up, make it like a chicken salad. It's gonna be dope. Me and my girlfriend makes this all the time. Shout out to my girl. She always keeps me right. So we try to eat like better meals, and that's lighter and more, you know, healthier for us and gives us more nutrients. So we just won't be eating junk food, cause we'll just be working out for no reason since we go every day. For the most part, you wanna make sure you got a good diet too while you're working out. So yeah, I'm about to eat some lunch and make my chicken salad. Hope you guys like this video. I ran out of ranch, man, so I gotta, you know, do it the old school way. We got to buy some more, but you know, you gotta make it work. Get the most out of it. So I got my chicken salad, man. It's looking real good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, and make sure you guys have that notification bell on so you guys can stay up to date with new videos that's gonna be dropping. And if you guys are in the ATL, I got my booking link in the comments. Go in there. If you live in the ATL, or if you just sliding through for like a weekend trip or something, tap in with your boy. I'm gonna get you right. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all socials at JoshXBarber, like you guys see at the top of the video. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace.